guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle. So I'm back here with another video for you guys. I was kindly gifted these Longrich products from my big sister, and I'm here to show you guys how I incorporate it into my wash day regimen. Yes guys, I'm going to be starting with the shampoo. This is a 2-in-1 shampoo. It doesn't just cleanse your hair but treats your scalp. It removes dandruff, dirt and excess grease from your hair, leaving your hair looking smooth, soft, healthy, and of course glossy. This Longrich product contains EMP protein and peppermint extract. When you're using it, it has this minty and cooling effect on your scalp, guys. Trust me, it's just amazing. And the smell, wonderful. So as you all know, when washing your scalp, you don't make use of your nails. You have to make use of your fingertips, so as not to wound your scalp. Guys, as you can see how this cleansing treatment 2-in-1 shampoo leaves my hair very clean and soft. You won't even believe it's a shampoo. Most shampoos actually leave your hair dry, but this is actually really good. And then it has this cooling effect to your scalp. It's really good. It's really good. I'm so proud. I know videos with this video you can actually tell that my hair is soft, but me, I can actually tell that my hair. We're up to the conditioner. So this is the Nourishing Repair Conditioner. Oh my god, this is my absolute favorite, guys. It is, oh god, oh my god, I don't know how it leaves your hair. It leaves your hair very silky. Look at that. 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 Oh my god. It smells so nice. So nice, guys. It smells nice. It works great for your hair. Imagine this my thick hair. And I found something that is very okay with my hair. So just little by little. You all know I like working in sections, so I'm going to put this. You all know by now that I am not for my conditioner and deep conditioner, I tend to put a whole lot on my hair to make it really moisturized. So I'm going to be putting a whole lot of this on my hair. When you're applying it on your hair, it doesn't really look like you've applied, see now, I have applied a whole lot on this section, but it doesn't look it. It's when you pour water on it that you would see that you have done excess. So the first time I used this, I actually made that mistake of over putting. So I was thinking it's not really enough. When I was washing it, I almost finished the whole water because I wash, it's no go. So now I've learnt my lesson. Even though it looks like this, I've actually applied the conditioner. So I'm going to move on to this section. Right? Going to go ahead and apply the conditioner all over my hair. Okay guys, finally done. Putting everything in the twists. I'm gonna put it now. Do you know how you would have shower caps, but when you want to wash your hair, you will not find it. will not find it. This is my go-to shower cap for every wash day. I must make sure I have nylon in my house. Actually double it. So I'm going to wear this for like 30 minutes or 1 hour, depends if my baby allows me to go and wash it out. I'm going to detangle, not necessarily because I've already done the pre-poo. I have already done the pre-poo, so I won't really detangle that much. But I'll try to detangle a little and wash it out. And then you guys will see the super soft hair. I think with this Longrich product, you don't really have to make do of deep conditioning all the time, like every time you wash, because this conditioner is actually very moisturizing. Like, it leaves your hair so soft. So most times, maybe you can, if you're using Longrich products, you can actually deep condition. For me, I deep condition every wash day anyway. So I mean, for those that don't have deep conditioners, you can actually deep condition once in a month, because with this shampoo and conditioner, like, your hair is already moisturized. That's what happens.